Do you want to see an instant proof on screen and check your file for correct bleed in just minutes? Welcome to Printing Center USA's Instant Proof. For this tutorial, we will be printing flyers. So first select the options. For my custom flyer, I'm choosing 4/0 and 80 matte cover because my design is a bingo card and printed only on the front. I selected 80 matte cover so people can write on it, and it's a nice weight. After you're done selecting all the product options, you can simply click Order and Upload Files Now. From this screen, you can browse your computer to upload or simply drag and drop. Next, click Upload File, and once you're done uploading your files, click I'm done uploading. Now our system will run a 43-point file inspection that checks for correct bleed, image resolution, page count, and more. And before you know it, you have your instant proof. You can scroll down and click this to see it full screen. My flyer will be cut along the blue trim line, and everything outside of that will be cut off. This ensures my flyer design has no white border and spreads all the way to the edges. The pink safety line shows me where to keep all the text and important images inside of. Now I know my flyer will print correctly with bleed. I can exit out of here, and with Printing Center USA's Instant Proof, I can save time and money and select OK to print. This processes my order immediately with no extra proof delay and saves me $15 with my order. Now I can just add my custom flyers to my cart and proceed to check out. So next time you want a seamless proofing experience, you know where to go. Printing Center USA's Instant Proof, where precision meets convenience. Thanks for watching.